What up again YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Bennett here again, another video. Today we'll be looking at equal matrices, and this one says difficulties C-set question given A is equal to -1, x, y, 2, B is equal to 2, 1, -1, 1, 3, and C is equal to 2p equal 2p, 12, and 2q, and AB is equal to half C, and they say calculate x and y. So basically we need to find the values of x, y, p, and q, and that will amount to about 4 marks in C-sec, and we know that marks are very important. But before I actually do this question, something that you guys should know: if a matrix is in this form A, B, C, D, and that is equal to, it simply means this is equal to this is equal to this corresponding ones, right? So A would be 3, B would be 2 because it's position. So it's the first one, so C is 1 and D is equal to 5. So just point to note, put that in your notes, and let us proceed. That's the only thing we need to know that we haven't done seriously, because we have looked at multiplication, unless you're just joining the channel. But we have looked at multiplication, so you can go back to those videos and watch them. Remember now guys, this channel is for persons who want to get 3 A's. Alright, let us look at it now. So this is AB is equal to half C. So let's do what the rule says. This is the most critical part. So the rule says we are supposed to multiply AB and then find the half of C. So let us multiply A times B. So that will be -1 x, y, 2. Remember, the first one must be in rows because it's row by column. Second one now will be 2b -1. That's 1, 3. And this should be in columns, right guys? If you're a part of the channel a long time, you would have known this. But if you're just joining, you need to go back to all the videos. Alright, so we're going to multiply A times B, and we're just going to do it some simple way. -1 times 2 is -2. X times 1 is x. So it's the first row times the first column. Next, first row times the second column. So it's -1 times 1 is +1. X times 3 is 3x. See, it come nicely. Y times 2, we're using the row 2 now, and we're gonna do the same thing. Row 2 times column 1, row 2 times column 2. Alright, so it's y times that will be 2y plus 2 ones 2. See? Done with row 1 now, so we're going to row 2. Row 2, column 2. So it's y times that will be -y, and 2 times 3 will be 6. Alright, to make it simpler, we're just going to find a half of this, right? Because it's a half of C. So we just divide. Half is the same thing as dividing by 2. So we just divide everything by 2. Just to simplify it, so that will give us P. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. 12, that will be 6. That's our Q. So now, why I showed you the thing earlier, all we're going to do is equate each equation to its equivalence. Alright? And what do I mean by that? The first one in this column with this one, and this with this, this with this, and this with this. Remember, this is 6, you know guys. I know, right, ugly, and some people mention it in the inbox. So 12 divided by 2 is actually 6. Alright? So let us see how we can set up the equations and solve them. So it will be -2 plus x is equal to p. Can't solve that as we have 2 unknown. Let us look at the next one. 1 plus 3x is equal to 10. We can solve this right away because only one unknown. Alright, so let us solve this one. No, we could just set out everything first. So it will be 2y plus 2 is equal to 6. We can solve that too. One unknown in here. And negative y plus 6 is equal to q. Alright, so let us solve for x now. So we get rid of this one, positive 1 by subtracting 1. So it will be 3x is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So then we just divide by 3. So therefore x is 3. One mark in the bag. Alright, so now we can actually find p because we know what is x. So all we have to do is substitute the value x with its value, which is 3. So let us do that. And it's a plus 3. So we can just add 3 and that is p. Now negative 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. And if you're just joining the channel, you seriously need to go back to that. So therefore p is 1. Now we can solve for y, right? We already could do that in the first place. Alright, this is plus 2. So the inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 from this side. So it will be 2y is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. And we just divide by 2. So y is equal to 2. 3 marks are gone. We need to get 1 more marks and we need to solve for q. You just separate them because you don't know the things yet. Real Jamaican style. Separate them, alright? So let us look at what is the value of y. Y will be negative 2, so we replace it with negative 2 plus 6. And that will be q. So negative 2 plus 6 would give us positive 4. Again, if you're not familiar with the channel, you need to go back and review that. Alright guys, think I should do one more? Nah. When we're doing past papers, we do more. Alright? So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and all of that. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys. The next up we should be solving simultaneous equation using the matrices method. Alright, see you guys and thanks for watching.